5 kilowatts. No,
6 kilowatts.
So here's the user manual. And then the actual inverter.
In a red color.
Pretty heavy, about 10 kilos. Yeah. Okay. And here's the accessories. Accessories में है एक Ethernet cable, power adapter, and a couple of MC4 connectors. Let's open it. So here we have the Ethernet cable. And here I think is the Wi-Fi dongle.
Here's the one.
Okay. I have no idea what this is. It's like some sort of a connector. Interesting. That here. And then another cable with connectors. I'm going to show this to the camera first. This is what it is. Here's what it reads. Got it? And the other end of that connector is this. Alright, then the next one comes with a very small Allen key, Allen wrench, and the wire, one end has these two black and red wires sticking out, and the other side has this. Got it?
Yeah.
Put this back in the bag. And then key back in the bag. Lastly, we have these two connectors. Got it?
Yeah.
Two more of a different kind. Got it? Then we have some bolts, 4 bolts for what are these called? Stud bolts, I think. And that's it. That's it. There was the menu. So you bring the camera and run through everything that came with it. The inverter. And then the stuff. Got it?
Yeah.
Cool.